Gun jumping. Sammy K on the go check my stuff online. Proud of anything you they do online. I be proud blogger online. SammyKmedia.com online. Go check my stuff online. Proud of anything you they do online.
Go online, go online, go online. Happy New Year to all. Sammy K Media fan base. Yeah, go online on a different level. Your first interview. Wait, and a second interview. Edinburgh 2020. My name remains Sammy K Media. Follow us on social media, YouTube. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere, and let's vibe. And go online. Now go online there. And about fashion fee. You can't fashion na Ghana ha. Untimin can't fashion without the Zara man himself. And I say wine American who has me, Mr. Richmond Brown, aka Osibo. But no our into there's a camera. Share from the up to down. We grab Chelsea your back fashion fee. Aha, and the fashion share from top to down. Aha. Now, remember now about price. And it's what see on the crown the price guys. Nana, mama about the go online show so let me say I feel mama official first.
I think come to you.
And I feel so happy belated happy birthday. And I say say o trendy papa you be so.
Sir, where's your?
Oh, you be so. I be come one sem nya de I be bisa o nsem. Nana ma kwa be me ba the go online show.
Me just so.
The year 2020 I shall say nyama ejuma akosen.
Who are they doing? Bia normal.
Bia normal. Me say o birthday no so o chile no na the shall say.
Was and need yes finance.
Hey Nana.
Hey.
Per life.
What's the more answer go
Nana people of full name wow can Osibo no. Mbeso o chere me ase ene.
Osibo ni menga so mentia say papa bi na de to me.
O papa na de Osibo ni to.
Yes, me na mani e dem papa. Me mani e dem pa.
Sir.
E be no hu bi a na ho dwo a fe no Osibo da. There.
I see. Nana you can fashion na. Obi just say fashion anka say den.
Oh. Fashion ya dia yem fa no say say wo ti hoyi. Why you say o person shade bia na wo be bibia de bia e benya ho asema kasa de we de efe ana ade we de ti sei ade we de ti sei akoye say enye common nipa ennim so papa.
Okay.
So
enye common. That just say metiwase a wo hwe Ghana most of some of your celebs ebenum dress pa ebenum so omo dress kra unu so omo dress
say onim so no
that's what dress na ye hu say what dress ya na just say
there o person obetima sua
o pa obi into there no nana usua ya na ye den
me a me sua no na me per life that so life na ye de wo
okay
ena o person usua so a obi hu ena me so sa fashion school
who call fashion school or Ghana
no I always live.
Oh, it's an oye onyama me ba ha me hu vintage nyama bi shoes enye agrodi kra.
You can't do fashion without vintage things. No way. Unto me.
I see.
Oh yeah.
Before I start the interview, no can I say fashion calculation.
Yeah.
All right, me meaning so a rapper.
Combination is a calculation.
Yes. Chiemu kakra.
Oh, me papa am say. We George Beluti.
Okay.
And do the shame papa no. Share me baggy. We say George Beluti.
Okay, me say nene kopa.
Yes. Now look at my Prada t-shirts. Look at the colors.
Okay.
Obe transfer calculate here we say atale we me nya so mpaboa na me nya so baga me match a ebeko. Entu pia obi a ono so ewe ani a oni fa so akoya atale efe. Enya ne keke o.
Okay.
Atale ye woni tonko ene ye woni she. Enti de obe she no ena be mu bi ehun se no akwa we onu fa se.
Okay. Enti nana uti hoi me calculate u dress ni weather besa
Mpabo we me turn 2000.
Mpabo 2000 Ghana.
Yes, George.
Mpabo ba 2000.
We George Beluti onye mpabo bi keke o.
Wow.
George Beluti. And Ghana for it doesn't know anything about George Beluti. The Gucci, Versace, and even the Versace crampon.
Okay.
We have the junior line of Versace, which is Versus.
Okay.
And your Versace Nankasa.
Okay.
And Sunny Gianni Versace V12 Classic, the most expensive.
Let's say different.
Oh, of course.
Yeah, the any money. I mean Versace.
Oh no. Versace you might be.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. I see. Into football weigh 2,000.
George Beluti
2,000.
Bag you 1,900.
Wow.
1,900. And say George Beluti. And son of my brother we. The original price and Casa. Samantha sale. Yanni sales na Victoria na 450 euros.
Wow, euros.
Yes. We must
so na near.
Must for 4 good years. At the park.
Oh wow.
And say
me ka say na na oti anu na o shey because it look fresh. I mean,
oh yes.
Mo amusha amu say it look fresh.
And one thing about Atali no, Atali biya betimi apa and found how expensive our town. Nimu me matali biya no amede iron offer nimu say that. Matali biya me two actually. Me fair we are and dry matali.
That's not a secret but what amount for me.
Yes. Iron a partali one time. And we are a partali. Today be an Atali no over two actually. And we are now the white handkerchief.
Okay.
Up to any lines now say we are no but t-shirt here. We hear lines be away anymore. And two next no sir. We are not done no so I did not cover.
No say 450 euros.
Yes, 450 euros.
Times around 6
times 450.
Wow.
And yes, Kaketua.
Hey, and then now kika call well.
Majins way Zara. We man tono tamo mo yeso me toy because not a me fair.
Okay.
We me tono 49 euros.
49.
Never say 50 euros, I just 300 Ghana.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. And then now okay can call 10,000 out here.
They be not on better than both.
Hey, sana you.
Gucci. And you can see say one of the colors in a woman pub one matter a womb. That is why I say a combination is a calculation. Intinana,
that is a fashion no. Apart from brands na the dress, you the colors so dress here.
Of course. Fashion is about colors. Fashion is about colors. And do better, I'm a party now here, you know. Dress code was black.
Okay.
Then the panties here. Normally, in Africa, I was a black hat. You see, okay.
Yeah.
But black your color be a more dozen color be a movie.
Heavy.
Very heavy. So we have men in black. Do we have any other color? I say men in white, men in yellow. No. We only have men in black.
Okay.
And see na logic for common talent no black. Black mode too. So on to be yeah Ghana, yeah unicorn no, your flag no.
Black
started them no
black. Then
fin. It means a lot.
It signifies something.
Yes.
I see. Nana, one of our party, ibai, birthday party, me buy be manage kama. Na party na man for buy na. Nana. Party no after the party no o trendy ye pa menim say ade achi ehunu.
Of course.
Na che say according to report the amema tete no nipa na okay mama describe video na a trendy ye the video na a trendy ye no na oba bi agina wani na say mo hage kakra na mo hage wie ye pe na mo fame ano meka mo film an because wo hwe mutu ni nyina no obia de ano no bom ata Flimboski na amafo akanfo se ne wo fia no ne pa na mama mfianu school ana
no
hey na oba no yese yompna ampa
sano muka
na ne kra wo mu ne sen almost say ni din sugar na ya
I will say kiss they be very common.
Okay.
Now Bible class mo fan fia no kom fefe mo ano. I think say e wo
Bible
e wo John's and Romans 16:16.
Wow.
Yes, I think so.
E wo Bible
Romans 16:16 or John 16:16. Ose mo fa en fia no kom fefe mo ano.
Internet say e wo Bible na che say nyame ana na aka. Enti omo ka say ompena no kra na nyem
saa no mu ka
banana say wo na uti hui
but saa no mu ka
enti no kra
minim
nana asem ya nana so be ompena ana obi nya ompena na wo nso na wo ye bema no enti ayo ba ka na me bisa na ebia to no mo call out but ebia to wo no mo nkopa wo na wo ye bema
onye me mpra
enyo ompena
oh no
na enyo mpena na ye wo Ghana ha nye Europe
yeah
nti
but don't forget I'm at Europe for 20 years
oh what na
Europe
Europe
very common wabutri say obe kissing say the obaba kra to make kissing
sir
of course what make kiss but it shows how much I would double frano
but
so
na ya nye oba
onya me ba
e yo den a
why madamfo
e wadanfo
oh yes
oh wow nti sa na fifi wadanfo fo ano
oh no me you see when it comes to Sani mana I'm the shy type
okay
so me yes no and I think say it's the very first time I'm yes I do in public
and no I first time I yes I didn't work public then too special about na ya feel to me feel na no work public sir
well I can't tell but the woman is say o kan ba ro say ohene men fan sa no den enka wano
oh okay
na wa ma amani hufo anko amani you see sometimes and may be o ha obeya bibi ene ebe kana manaba se na mani kan pa bi anka minti menya sade no see but bibi can bibi ma bibi
me ti wase ye we under the influence of alcohol
well yam fan sa
na hold on
as at time I'm kissing no na me ndo no
but see after mat no
masa ko be fufu
Gun jumping. Sammy K on the Utibo.
Nana we die me pauto. One say amanfo pe wase. Na sisi an yeta post wo no so amanfo bisa questions. Nti on person mu say Sugar Naya or your den ankasa.
Me manage no.
Who manage no?
Oh yes.
Pacho since when?
Me say me manage no.
Who manage minim so enyum tini.
Since the day before the day the mo kan ho asem no I see.
Muki na say mo fame ano Sina na me onim nana only time I too passionate about piano no. Me ko pie wo baby na sina na mo ka ho asem no.
O mo say dey.
O ma pe table no ma pensa ene kiba ato ho. Nana also manage ne career na o manage den.
Ninyum no.
Ninyum no. Nti yen hwe nim what should Ghana expect from Sugar Naya?
Very soon.
Obe blow a yen hu ano.
Oh, but say Ponko na be fa Elia they no call heaven.
And you watch out for Sugar Naya. Me who say what style most of Ghana is celebs me who Prince Bright me who na Kwame Eugene Krana still only ni Ejuma Kwame Eugene.
Oh no, but still I'm a penasem. Many said in yes.
I didn't only need me.
Oh, I know the old day won't see a fan to ho.
Hey, there's a same one.
Oh, I send me anyhow. Just that I don't want to talk about it. Now, I said, be an hour can myself. I mean, you need to your quay anymore.
Okay. Celebs na ya on begin tare na omoto.
Of course, baby, check.
Bebre na say bi no suntua.
Ebi no am me na me pese me style wo.
Oh, okay.
Obi wa handle dress me fe na me pese me style.
Nto style na atare no de chen.
Over the channel of course.
The chen free.
Oh yeah.
Nana uskapa.
Oh, look. Me Makato was a me wu no.
Okay.
E be so obi o team can be a tin su no kasa papa we da me share no a nice person. That is what I do.
Okay.
Sika hu hia but any pay de. So and this me che wade our bra woni na so. Now the co baby. Now we just watali e fe so Zara man de che me. Oh ne nyame nhira no. Me de me pe o mu wiase ala.
I see.
Nyame nhira na it work a lot.
Yeah, come about Kwame Eugene. Kwame Eugene trended last year. Mra nkonsa de video to ni so ana che say o kan say den no share no so share Zara no bo amount bi Ah, na je say mani trendy yie pa amanfo se no twa ntro no kra ba out. Sa shoe no to ho.
No.
One to ho.
Auto Zara, original Zara shop. Yes.
Oh, okay. Now price no boy no, is it correct?
Oh no, Diagro.
No Diagro.
Oh yes.
Agro. I think on no kasa kra ba out abeka. Say
no Diagro.
Okay. Ghana na ye wo no ye be kwaso address nya ade. Mbeso obo mema 5. No.
Hey, you go for same way baby mu.
Adan. Asemba ho na.
Oh no really.
But mbeso ye okay. Me call 5 ebe prolong it. 2-1-1. Just 1-1. Be more dress pa and oba dress pa e Ghana. E bano fashion.
You see, fashion you ma hold baby.
Okay.
You wo a fashion no. Se wo de nto insume or insume dressing.
Okay.
Wo de no ko se gym or insume again dressing.
Okay.
And it's any pan na ka say obi enim fashion pa on any any pan. And now see e wo Ghana hai. So bizam say why any any pan na esoro e form infifin be bia otimi kopa de be ma
Stephen Appiah.
Because like I said already, say what the never been kum ni fa be
bia be fit
into ono sa na de be ma.
Okay. Ti mema nti ma na
e ma no obusa me a pa be be ma nana Kwiado
slay queen.
Yes, so ope e ma no se menyi ba ko a ono na me de.
Oya de on.
Oh yes. Ono the dress no e ma wo hu say in fact or to dress na say
ono not me dress na wakata na nim na
that is fashion.
That is fashion.
In time because fashion is madness. If fashion is not, of course, look at my jeans. Why this?
What of jeans na what?
No, sana jeans
I mean, normal piper.
Yeah, papa no.
Fashion.
Fashion.
Fashion is madness.
Yes, fashion is madness.
Ana Arabi Zinazu. Or dressing more.
Oh, I'm also
dressing. So fashion World Cup.
I'm also dressing pa.
Okay.
I'm also dressing pa.
Okay. Me baha senior ya one o workers not relate no. As omukra no mo ye boss. Enso ebenum wo ha omo nyesa. Ari bibi wo hu bibi da na ntia na.
You see from baby I made me free buy. Me papa and me mama no muniska.
Okay.
So I was once a truck pusher.
Wow, what pushy truck that?
I pushed truck for 3 years.
3 years?
Yes.
Wow.
And na me nyo bia.
Okay.
They say woman me no mo na we. But no be name me future said that she meet my baba e say. Enti nipa na me no mu ye adwuma no ne no a ye kwa ye ba no. Wonim obi da ache. Se ne na nyame abo na esi wie na nipa na be hye wase na no ne ye adwuma. Enu nche se nipa na be ka ho ene wa ye adwuma ana obe hye wase da bi. Obi ana ni destiny. Emre bi be ba nyame be masa nipa no so sane awo ne mebi na oni nda so o ma wo so no. Obe masa nipa no so. Na se when treat ni ye tama wo ne ye adwuma no. Ese samre no so obi a wo so waso de no mfu so obi nti. Erade twe waso ma ajapade a wo na ebowa. Na sa nipa ni nyesika officer de no de be yo.
Okay, same.
Into Ubesha, Uka Bible, Tama, or any David. Na so epe ne kunu. So mu say maybe baba David eba be di Israel so hene. Into okache ne say yene rade ma be di Israel so hene a. Sane ya mene wo edi no me sra wo mane mabusua nyensa. David ka rade ntam ogitu mu. Emre ne bedu ye no. David ebedi hene ne refie. And the dakro osa na obi sa say why na ka so fie na me fa me nyankopon di mu nya na do ye kwena ka me fi boset oye kwata oye obubuafo enwu hia se ya abomination say such a person ebe kwa hin fie na so ne bapa ani Jonathan.
Okay.
And David is ordered for pa ani Jonathan. And he said papa saw planning anything against David pe no akobo na mane.
Okay.
And the time I call for your cobalt in the football center, I say, or he say, I know, in fact, near Muslim power because ya bobini say such person no kwa yefie enti yade ne ko e David ka say ensuro na wo papa Jonathan nti enne meye wadoye na me de wagya fie so agapade abo nyina ama wo ne papa oye no mre bi atwam nti enne wawu kɔ ne ba no aba benya so mfaso eni se wo treat workers na no mu ye adwuma nyina ye pepepe that ye wuni ho no esi obi ye no hu ba was o papa emre bi na ye adwuma wo na bo wo me enti oba ne hia mo a no da bo no
when na call events or dress but to you no normally he's off
well me to me mo be edi
na no to me go
no as an man fair
Oba ebi no wo hosa
of course be brave
na e bo na ye hu e no system go ye hia de mo na fashion ma ko hu school
enti de bit my say a bit advice you
okay any advice you
yes and they say o person will call events bi na wa kasa wo dressing na wa ye no say wu so a o bit my combination e go no twa na that say na wa dan for me so this is what I want to wear tonight you're okay for the event now me person me dey corner na
okay
and you okay and nipa no be catch you you okay so nipa no e be catch you ne mo so we you say unim a won hwe abakodi woni so
okay
so
enti na che se ene ya bazara man ho a ye go online na ya go online there Osibo Mr. Richmond Brown aka Osibo ba ko pe na pacho person mo follow our Instagram ni ade
Zara Shop Ghana
I mean who ba ko bi Zara 24 okay internet say mo follow up bibi ope bia wo e ba ne fashion dia obenya ma wo na so ba North Canadian honum so ana chese St. Teresa honum Barclays Bank no
former
Barclays Bank opposite wa na se uba ko so a be hu no pacho wo na me bia o say
yeah your number is 054
okay
54 17755 05454 17755 0264 264436 St. Teresa's Road, the main Palace Road, opposite the former Barclays Bank. Opposite 247. Yo.
247 Zara. Go online.
Go check my stuff. Go online. Proud of anything you they do. Go online. I be proud blogger. Go online. SonicGameMedia.com. Go online. Go check my stuff. Go online. Proud of anything you they do. Go online.